Oh gosh, just a quick little video for you. I'm just before work here this morning. I haven't put up a couple of videos, but so I'll get a couple of videos put up. So I managed weekend before last to rearrange the workbench here, and all this here is pretty much all the same. But what's in front has changed. So basically, I got my Heathkit SB630 put out. I just gotta make a couple jumper cables for it. I got the Tektronix storage oscilloscope 434. Still got the audio generator, RF signal generator up there. I've got the variable power supply here, the realistic SA101 there. That's a camera off a drone. That's a modification I've done actually, and I run it on 3 AA batteries. It's worked out pretty good actually. Works quite well. So yeah, scope there, power supply, whatever, blah blah blah. I made this shelf here, changed out the shelf so it actually comes out a bit more, so I can actually put my scope on the shelf here. Before I couldn't because it just wouldn't fit. And one other thing that I did change was I had an old RAM mount kicking around for years, and basically I put my my multimeter on that. As you can see, now when I'm working on a project, instead of having a meter just floating around a desk driving me nuts, I can still use it. Get untangled. There we go. Now it's just up here and out of the way. Now I can just do me testing, whatever. So I think that was pretty cool. I think. I can't say I've seen anybody put a multimeter on a RAM mount before. Gotta be a little bit different, you know. Works fine. I just push it out of the way. I'm not using it. But yeah. And the project I've done there the weekend, never done a video on it because I've done so many before, is the dual polarity regulator power supply from that NRI kit. I installed it inside a computer power supply. That's common ground, and then this, all the outputs on it. 10 volt, 5 volt dual polarity regulator power supply by NRI. Actually works pretty good. Anyways, just a little update for you. Just want to show it. But these LED strips are awesome. This an old LED strip that I had to take off my old shelf. Unfortunately, the sticky side of this tape is only, you know, good for one application basically. And if you want to reuse it again, I guess you got to glue it back on, or use some 3M 2-way tape or something. But here we have it. The new workbench. Anyways, chat later. Serena 63. We are out of here. And the projects are certainly growing. The ones that work I kind of keep. The ones that don't work I scrap them down, tear them out, and rebuild them. But I still like this one. This one's pretty cool. I like that one. And this one here. And you might have noticed I picked up another one of these frequency counter displays off eBay recently. So you can only imagine what I'm going to get into in winter. Anyways, all the best, folks, and I'm sure you'll be seeing more videos from here soon.